Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by creating a system restore point and noting the KB number of the update you want removed. Once done, sign in with an administrator account and temporarily disable third-party antivirus to avoid interference. Next, open Settings, go to Update and Security, click View Update History, then uninstall updates. This opens Control Panel where you can select the KB entry and choose Uninstall. Do this now because the built-in path is the safest first option for rollback. If the GUI method fails, stop the Windows Update and bit services using netstop commands because locked files often block removal. Then open an elevated command prompt and run wusa/uninstall/kb xxxxx to target the specific update. Replace xxxxx with the KB number. Alternatively, use dism/online/remove package to remove stubborn packages. If you encounter file locks, reboot into safe mode and repeat these steps. Safe mode reduces running processes and increases the chance of a clean uninstall. After uninstalling, reboot at least twice to complete cleanup and make sure the update no longer appears in update history or installed updates. Then pause updates for a short period, and if needed, use the Microsoft Show or Hide Updates tool to block reinstallation. If the uninstall fails or breaks the system, immediately use the system restore point you made, or run the Windows Update reset steps to rebuild components. If problems persist, contact support or perform an in-place repair to preserve files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.